Welcome back on the truck. I'm Jeremy from Hosel Tools, and today we're going to check out the November marketing kit. So we're going to open that up in front of you, go through all the different things us dealers get in there, and then go through the flyer page by page so you can see what's on sale this month. These flyers are for my region. There's a couple different flyers across the US and obviously different ones in Canada and other parts of the world. So this flyer will be for my area, might be for yours, not sure. So let's go ahead and open it up. Looks pretty light this month. We've got our packing list here. Right on the top, we have 4 bundles of the flyers on the receipt backers. So it's blank paper on one side. It's got a picture of the flyers on the other side. 2 bundles of the flyers. We have our van danglers, so we hang them up and let them dangle up in the sky. November DVD. And our 2-sided van sign. So one sign here, make sure you're always set for anything. And extended reasons to own a Master Series box. That'll go on the outside of the truck. I don't know, which side do you think? A or B? Let me know. That's it. That's the whole box. Let's open up these flyers right in front of you. You see it when I see it. Let's see what the deals are. There it is, November Hot Tools for our North Central region. Might be for your region, might not be for your region, not sure. Matches up with our van sign. So make sure you're always set for anything. Front pages here, we have 4 of the best sets we've ever organized. So there's a flank drive set, 3/8 and 1/4. And the next page we have the flank drive extra set in 3/8 and 1/4. Let me show you. So here's the 1/4 flank drive extra set that I got in. So you get the T72 ratchet, an extension, another extension, a little wobble, and then short and deep metric and standard. And we have 3/16 to 9/16, as well as 5.5 to 14 in the flank drive extra. Come in this nice little case and this awesome foam in there so your sockets will stay right in there. I have the 3/8 drive flank drive extra set in here. And here it is. So we have a FL80 ratchet, a little bit longer ratchet, couple extensions on the side, one over here, a swivel, and then all the standard and metric shallows and deeps. 8 to 19, 1/4 inch to 7/8. All flank drive extra. There again, you got the nice foam in there and the nice carrying case for it all. It all fits together. Page 4, we have the new stuff. For every new challenge, we bring the solutions. I showed you guys these things a couple of videos back. We had the knife, we had the lights, which I have one. Oh, right here's one. We have these foldable pen lights with the 3 lights. So you have the flashlight, the inside light, and the outside light. Folds up, it's got some magnets. Also on the bottom here, we have some hand sanitizer. We have the dispenser with the hand sanitizer. And then there's a little bracket. Let me find one. I have one of them on here somewhere. Stuff gets kind of moved around when you drive a lot. Here it is. Neat little bracket that you can mount the hand sanitizer in your, like, let's say locker door or hutch. I think they're, what, $5? Yes, $5 for that. And I actually have one of the hand sanitizers. I'm going to move the camera. I'm not sure how much it likes to move. But right up top here, I have one of these mounted in the truck. So that's the new stuff for November. We have the knife, the lights, the hand sanitizer, the mounting bracket, sanitizer bracket they call it. Page 5, tapered reamers. Range of compact, popular size reamers designed for burr removal and enlarging holes. Can be used with supplied bar or sockets when extra torque is required. So there's an 1/8 to 3/8, 1/4 to 9/16, and a 1/2 to 3/4. Next to that is the Pocket IQ 2 scan tool for Blue Point. So that's going to do your heavy duty stuff, your medium duty like my Snap-on truck, up to your full-size dump trucks and semis with the Pocket IQ. And these also do regeneration. Down below we have some information on updating your scan tool as well as our rebates. Page 6. bring the heat in full color. So we got a couple of the Torch 400s. We have red and green, and then we have 4 different of the Torch 300s, red, orange, green, or the yellow. And I have these things scattered all over the truck because I think we got 3 or 4 of each of the colors, as well as the butane soldering irons on the bottom. So we have the YAKS 42 kit and the YAKS 22A kit. Page 7, air on the side of awesome. Pneumatic impacts in multiple colors. Get up to $100 with trade-in. Half-inch drive air impact, the PT850. Half-inch drive heavy-duty air impact wrench, the MG725A. Page 8. Get a grip on durability, comfort, and control. All kinds of pliers, and more pliers. All of them on promo, sold individually. There's one set on the very bottom, a 5-piece plier and cutter set from Blue Point. But other than that, all these are all individuals on sale. So if you just needed the one or this one or whatever, mix and match, a la carte. Get it the way you want it on promo. Page 9, we got a ton of metric wrenches on promo. So we got a couple add-on sets, and then we got the base set down below. So up on the top right, we have the 5-piece 12-point flank drive set. On the left, the 5-piece 12-point metric flank drive plus set. Them are 20 to 24 millimeters. Down below in metrics, we have the 12-piece 12-point metric Blue Point set, the 12-piece flank drive set, the 12-piece flank drive plus set, and on the very bottom, we got the 14-piece 12-point metric flank drive short combination wrench set. So we have 6 different metric sets for you to choose from. A lot of stuff on page 10. We have Master the Toughest Job, Ask for Details. ProLink Edge Master Kit, the ProLink Edge Master Kit with 5-drawer cart. All the essentials you've been shopping for. Pressure gauge, circuit tester, terminal adapter set, non-contact laser tachometer, instinct handled air chuck, fireman's nozzles, and the dual-sided flex lights. So a lot of great stuff on there to choose from. Flip her over, we got synergetic converter MIG welder on the bottom, dual pulse synergetic MIG welder on the top. If you remember back a couple years ago, we sold one of them to a body shop. He really loves it, still talks about it to this day. And we have the synergetic double pulse inverter welder. And I think it was probably 2.5 years ago, I did a trailer sale and I loaded up, I don't know, 24, 26 of these, combination of these 2 different welders, and just went out and had a blast. A lot of guys got some deals on some welders. And we're on to the back page. Extended reasons I owned a Master Series box. New drawer configuration. A ton of different colors available. I actually picked out the one right there. The gray with the blue, like all the SFC stuff. I had gotten, I think 3 of them so far that came in the gray with the blue trim. And they went super quick, so I had to order the gray with the blue again because I didn't have it in this 1022 combination. And that's great. And then we have another style bump box there. I think you guys seen the red one that I have. This one I didn't even open this one yet. It's still sitting in storage. So a lot of neat stuff. November 2020. North Central Region Flyer. I appreciate you guys spending some time with me today, and I will see you next time.